Just one hand only. Put one hand first, you see? Okay, then you wash your hands. You see, son? It's okay. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub all over. Yeah, rub, 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 rub. And now you put inside. Put your hands inside. Oh! See? The germs.
Yucky.
Yeah, no more yucky. The germs go away. Look. Did you see that? Did you see how the germs go away? See?
No more.
Yeah, germs no more. So you have to keep washing your hands, okay?
A warm welcome to Fairchild. Fairchild Kindergarten, in the words of one of our children, is one of those perfect places where children enjoy coming to school every day with a big smile. We offer classes for children from age 2 up to age 6, in a pre-nursery class right up to our K3 level. We provide an immersive language-rich environment for students in an international school where children come from a diverse community from countries all over the world. At our kindergarten, we have an international stream and a dual language stream, which is in English and Mandarin. And this helps us promote bilingualism and reflects part of our culture in Hong Kong and in China. At Fairchild Kindergarten, the development of the whole child in a play-focused environment is central to everything that we do. Our learning approach includes the Reggio Emilia philosophy, which combined with an inquiry focus allows the children to use 100 languages, which is a key aspect of the Reggio Emilia approach.
I love